Hi guys, this is the controller for the Barbie Jeep, or at least the NewBright car chassis and running gear that the Barbie Jeep is sitting on top of, and it's missing the battery cover. That looks fairly straightforward to me. It's just a slide-in cover that I could probably make from a bit of card, but because I've now got a 3D printer, I reckon we could make one. That's 56 to there. Check that again. Yeah, 56. A little bit sticks in at the end there. Can we actually get in there with that? Yes, we can. That is, well, that goes in about 5. That's just under 1 or 10, we'll call it 9. And then we can just measure this across here. Which is between 33 and 32. We'll call it 32, but then we need 2 little bits that go in, and I reckon they're going to be about another millimetre on each side. Like that. So 1 millimetre square on the edge, and if we make it 2 millimetres thick overall, and then we want a little bit that sticks out. I have to go over where I've been drawing. A little bit that's going to stick out over there, which may or may not have had a screw in it. Maybe just a little bump on the bottom of it. Very roughly about 3, maybe 4 radius, roughly. Something like that. So we'll just see if we can print up a little oblong bit of plastic. Well, I almost got it right, but I did make a mistake in my measurements. Those slots up either side, where that slides in, I thought they went all the way along, but they don't. They're just in the very end there, only about 5 millimeters. It's just to stop the end popping out, but the rest of it should just slide all the way in. So I can either reprint it or I can just trim it up the edge there, and that'll hold it in place. I've done one side. Yeah, so that will work. Looks like I could reduce the length of that a little bit as well. Let's do that the quick way. So that's about maybe 2 millimeters. I just trimmed off the end. So there we go. That'll stop the battery falling out, but it's not perfect. So good enough for now. But we could have done better. That's version 2. So I've actually printed it with just those little bits on the end there, tidied that up, shortened that a little bit. So now that fits in there perfectly. In fact, I could even put a screw in there. Yeah, quite pleased with that. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.